Hello. In this short video, you will learn about 30 daily use sentences. This will help you improve your English speaking skills. So don't go anywhere and stay with us till the end. Let's get started. But before we are going to dive in, subscribe to our channel for more such content. Sentence 1. How are you doing? Sentence 2. What would you like to drink? Sentence 3. Thank you so much. Sentence 4. Have a nice day. 5. Are you enjoying the meal? I'm so sorry for being late. Thanks for your patience. The next sentence is, what's your favorite food? 9. Do you have any pets? Number 10. How do you usually get to work? Number 11. What is your favorite color? Number 12. Excuse me, where is the restroom or bathroom? Number 13. What time does the movie start? Number 14. Have a nice day. Number 15 is,
Number 15 is see you tomorrow. Number 16, I'll be there in 10 minutes. Number 17, how much does it cost? 18, what is your phone number? 19, can I have your email address? 20, what is the best way to contact you? 21, can I ask you a question? 22, I'm vegetarian for few weeks. 23, I appreciate your efforts. 24, let's meet at the coffee shop. 25, I'm looking forward to seeing you. 26, what's your favorite book? 28, what's your favorite sports? 29, can you pick me up at the airport? 27, do you like to read often? 30, write down a simple sentence by yourself in the comment box below. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thanks.